Qua abbiamo perso tutto, non mi hai sentito, eh? Eppure, le orecchie se le ha, e belle grandi.
Messer, tu mi fai torto e te me lo comporto. Non pare rituavo, non era così bravo, ne mai lui mi fasia, venendo da Deo sia, e tu che me lo mai, grande peccato lo avrai, la mia speranza in Deo, che il Sinone è con Deo.
Vieni in casa! Ti hai fatto male?
Sì. Mi ho fatto male sul lavoro.
Poverino.
Papà, non ti preoccupare. Papà, c'ho ancora fame.
Te lo faccio dimenticare io, lo fa.
From the annals of World War II comes the classic tale of Il Duce, Mussolini and I, starring Anthony Hopkins as his son-in-law Galeazzo Ciano, Susan Sarandon as his daughter Etta, and Bob Hoskins as Il Duce. This intrigue-filled drama exposes Benito Mussolini as a many-faceted leader, a hero to his people, a traitor to his country, and an avid admirer of Hitler and his regime of terror.
Fascism must be revived. It will announce the birth of a new fascist republic.
You must tear up the treaty. Throw it in Hitler's face.
Don't fool yourselves, any of you. I'm not about to hand myself over to a firing squad.
Follow the embattled saga of a courageous man opposed to fascism who has to contend with the safety of his family. Witness an explosive true-life drama depicting the horrors of war. Bolstered with superb performances by Anthony Hopkins as Ciano.
Your Führer was right. Ciano! He must die!
Susan Sarandon as Etta.
You can tell my father that he could do one of two things. He can either run away or he can kill himself.
Annie Girardot as Raquel. Barbara Rossi as Claretta. And Bob Hoskins as Il Duce.
They'll say the Führer rose to the heavens amidst the flames. They'll make him a national hero. Something like that could happen to me.
Don't fail to see Mussolini and I, a vivid portrayal of the tumultuous life and aspirations of Il Duce.